Yeah, it looks like this after it's all done and you put in the rantas. I also took the bones out and took the little meat that was on the bones. And it's all done. It's gonna get thicker. It's fresh now, but it will get thicker in a little bit. I'm gonna put some out for myself to let it cool off. And then what you do is you serve it with onions and some bread. Wheat bread maybe. And you put a drop of, well, I don't need to put it because it's in here, so I'm going to take with a spoon and put the onions into it. So voila, voici la vache. Ta-da!